Welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about admin search functionality in version 9.1. Let's talk about key features and benefits. In this version, we have introduced the search functionality in the admin panel. For this, we have added a search bar, search icon, bookmark icon, and menu in the top header of the admin panel. The admin can now search for any specific section by selecting the menu from the drop-down, entering the keywords in the search bar, and clicking on the search icon. With the help of the bookmark icon, the admin can search the pinned pages from the system. Let's have a look into the admin. So here, as you can see, we have in the top section, we have menu, orders, customers, products, predefined products, content, and template drop down. So when you select menu, and here if you search like product, so here you can see there is a list of all the related terms. So if you want to go to product options, it will directly let you go to the specific module. And if you want to go to any specific order, and if you select order and you put like order number 12, and when you click on search, then you can directly go to the order number on the view orders page. And then here similarly for the other pages like products, so if you search like business cards, and if you search, so here all the results will be related to the business cards only. So in this way you can use this search functionality in the header of the admin panel. Now let's have a look into the another feature, that is pin. So here you can, let's say if you apply any filter, suppose if you apply a filter over here, and when you click on search, then here you can see there is a result, and when you click on this pin icon, you can give this pin page a title, and when you click on save, then here you can see there is a list of all the pin pages in the top header. So whenever you want to search with this selected pin page, you can directly choose from the list. So this will help you to make this easy to reach all your selected pin pages. Also, this will select only those pages which is saved by the user. So let's say if you are login as an admin, and if you save this into your account, then only you will be able to see this pages. No one else in the another admin will be able to see those. So this is the functionality of pin pages. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any further concern, feel free to connect with us.